a giant leap for mankind. Why the moon? The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always captivated humanity. For centuries we've gazed up at its cratered surface, dreaming of the day we might set foot on its dusty plains. Today that dream is closer than ever. Establishing a colony on the moon might seem like something out of science fiction, but it's a real possibility in the not-so-distant future. Why the moon, you ask? For starters, it's relatively close to Earth, making travel and communication more manageable than, say, a mission to Mars. The moon is also abundant in resources like helium-3, a potential fuel source for future fusion reactors. Perhaps most importantly, a lunar base would serve as a stepping stone for further exploration into our solar system. It could be a testing ground for new technologies and a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond. The moon represents a bold new frontier, and the knowledge and experience we gain from colonizing it could have profound implications for the future of humanity. Living in a bubble, homes on the moon. Imagine living in a world where the sky is always black and the ground is covered in grey dust. That's what life on the moon would be like. To survive in this harsh environment, we'd need to create self-sustaining habitats that protect us from the dangers of space. These lunar homes wouldn't look anything like our houses on Earth. They'd likely be dome-shaped structures made from durable materials that can withstand the bombardment of micrometeoroids and extreme temperatures. These domes would be airtight, of course, because the moon has no atmosphere to speak of. Inside these habitats, we'd need to recreate a livable environment. Think artificial gravity, controlled temperatures, and, of course, breathable air. Communal spaces would be crucial for social interaction and recreation, while hydroponic farms would provide fresh food. It might not be the Earth, but it would be home. Lunar life support, breathing, eating and drinking. Living on the moon presents a unique set of challenges, particularly when it comes to the essentials: air, food and water. We can't just pop to the shops for supplies, so we'll need innovative solutions to sustain life on this barren world. Let's start with the air we breathe. Lunar habitats will require advanced life support systems to generate oxygen and scrub carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. These systems might use a combination of plants and chemical processes to mimic Earth's natural cycle. Food is another hurdle. Transporting enough food from Earth would be impractical, so we'll need to grow our own. This is where hydroponics and aeroponics come in. These methods allow us to grow plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water solutions instead. Imagine rows of leafy greens and plump tomatoes thriving under the glow of LED lights inside a lunar farm. Challenges and opportunities. Overcoming obstacles in space. Life on the moon won't be a walk in the park. We'll face numerous challenges, from the lack of atmosphere and gravity to the dangers of radiation exposure. But with every challenge comes an opportunity for innovation and human ingenuity. One of the biggest concerns is radiation. The moon lacks a protective magnetic field like Earth's, leaving us vulnerable to harmful cosmic rays. To combat this, habitats will need to be shielded, perhaps by burying them underground or covering them with a thick layer of lunar regolith, the moon's loose surface material. Low gravity is another issue. While it might be fun to float around at first, prolonged exposure to low gravity can weaken bones and muscles. We'll need to develop countermeasures, such as artificial gravity systems or rigorous exercise regimes, to keep our bodies healthy. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards of establishing a lunar colony are immense. It's a chance to push the boundaries of human knowledge, develop groundbreaking technologies, and secure a foothold for humanity beyond Earth. The moon is just the beginning. It's a stepping stone to a future where we might one day call other worlds home.